In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for ChatGPT. We'll walk through each step clearly so you can create your account in just a few minutes, with a few tips to keep everything secure and smooth. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and press Enter. This is the quickest way to find the official site if you don't have it bookmarked yet. When results appear, take a second to confirm you're heading to the legitimate website. Look for the official ChatGPT or OpenAI domain in the address bar once you click through, and avoid sponsored links that don't clearly identify the brand. You should see that you've landed on the ChatGPT home or sign-in page before you continue. Next, click the Sign Up button. It's typically located in the top right corner of the page, though you might also see a prominent sign-up prompt in the center. If you already have an account, you'd use Login. But since we're creating a new one today, choose Sign Up to begin. Now, you'll choose how you want to create your account. You have two main options. The first is to sign up with an email address. Enter your email, then create a strong password. Aim for something long and unique, at least 12 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords you've used elsewhere. The second option is to continue with an existing Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. This single sign-on route is faster, since it uses your existing credentials, and you won't need to remember a new password for ChatGPT. If you're on a shared or work device, just make sure you're choosing the account you actually want linked. If you used an email to sign up, head to your inbox to verify your address. Look for a message from the service and open it. If you don't see it within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder, and make sure you typed your email correctly. Click the verification link inside the message to confirm it's really you. If the link doesn't open automatically, you can copy and paste it into your browser's address bar. Once your email is verified, or if you completed sign up with Google, Microsoft, or Apple, you're all set. You can now sign in using the method you selected, and you'll land on the ChatGPT home screen. From here, you're ready to start exploring. For a smoother experience next time, consider bookmarking the site, and if you're on a shared computer, remember to sign out when you're done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using ChatGPT.